In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change MetaTrader 4 language. If you prefer working in your native language or you're helping someone set up their platform, this is a quick adjustment that makes MetaTrader 4 more comfortable and easier to navigate. First, open MT4. Launch it the same way you normally do. You don't need to be connected to a broker account to change the interface language, so even if you're on a fresh install, you're good to go. Once the platform is open, look at the top of the window for the classic menu bar. You'll see items like File, View, Insert, and so on. Click the View menu. This is where MT4 groups many visual and layout options. When the menu drops down, move your mouse over the Languages option. Don't click yet, just hover. A side menu will appear showing a list of available languages. These are usually listed in their native names, so you can quickly recognize the one you want. If you don't see the language you expect right away, take a moment to scroll through the list. MT4 supports a broad set of translations. Now, select your preferred language from the list by clicking it. At this point, you've told MT4 which language you want, but the change won't apply instantly. For the new language to take effect across all menus, dialogues, and toolbars, the platform needs a restart. This is normal for MT4 because it reloads its interface files at startup. Go ahead and restart MT4. The simplest way is to close the application and open it again. When it relaunches, you should see the entire interface in the language you selected. Charts, toolbars, and windows will look the same, but the labels, menu entries, and system messages will now match your choice. If you were connected to a trading account before restarting, you may need to log back in as usual. A few helpful tips as you confirm everything looks right. Some custom indicators, expert advisors, or third-party scripts might keep their original names, since those come from the files themselves, not from the platform's language pack. Also, if you accidentally switch to a language you don't read, you can repeat the same path by memory. Open MT4, click the View menu in the top bar, hover over the Languages entry, and pick the language you want again, then restart. The positions don't change, even if the text does. That's it. Open MT4, go to View, hover over Languages, choose your language, and restart the platform. With this small change, your workspace becomes clearer, faster, and more intuitive to use.